Figuring out how to use a password manager is actually easier than you think. Most people spend more time resetting passwords than they do actually logging in. But a password manager changes all that by offering a secure place to store your credentials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set one up, add your first password, and start using it. I'll be using NordVPN for today's video because for me, it's one of the best password manager options on the market. The setup process is very simple, and as you can see, both the desktop and mobile apps are user-friendly and easy to navigate. Each interface has a clean design and cross-device availability. The premium plan offers use on multiple devices at once, whereas the free option includes just one. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly provider with no technical learning curve, the NordPass is a great choice. To save some money on a NordPass premium plan, I left a coupon in the description as well as a special QR code, which you'll see on screen right now. Now, feel free to pause this password manager tutorial anytime and install the app along with me. The NordPass app is available on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. The mobile versions can quickly be installed right from the Apple app or Google Play stores, but today I'll be showing you how to install the desktop version via Chrome. Personally, I found the easiest way to do this is by typing NordPass installation into my search engine, then clicking on the Installing NordPass application on desktop link. Next, navigate to the three device tabs and choose between Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. After pressing the Download NordPass Setup File button, you'll be directed to the installation page, and you'll want to now click the Download App for Windows link. Keep in mind, if you want to install the web extension, which has some exclusive features, you can also do that right from the page we just left. After clicking the file setup link, the NordPass app should now pop up somewhere on your desktop. Once you locate it, double-click it, and you'll then be taken to the login screen. Here, you'll create your new account, so just enter your email address as well as a password. Then hit Create Account. Next, you'll automatically be prompted to create a master password, which you'll need in order to access your vault, where all your passwords and data are stored. Now, the next step in this NordPass tutorial is to generate a recovery code, which ensures that should you ever forget your master password, there's a backup way to enter your account. To do this, navigate to the Settings icon, then scroll down to Reset Recovery Code and press Reset. For security reasons, you'll need to enter your master password, and once the recovery code is generated, be sure to store it somewhere safe. Alright, moving along in this NordPass guide, next I'll show you how to add your first password. I advise saving your most used login as the first test. To do this, navigate to the Passwords tab on the left side of the dashboard, then click the Add Password button. Fill out the login details, press Save, then you're all set. Now, whenever you want to log into that specific account, the NordPass app will prompt you to save the credentials, so all future logins will happen automatically. And if you like convenient features like that one, then the autofill feature is worth using as well. This is one of the browser extension exclusive features, so you'll just need to install that first. And now once you click on the login field, then the autofill feature will instantly fill out everything for you. This is not only more secure, but also saves the time and stress of manually remembering and filling out the information for all your online accounts. After adding all account credentials, you can now organize and manage passwords into their own folders. Let's say I want to categorize the passwords I use for shopping. Under the Folders tab on the left side of the dashboard, I'll click on Add New Folder. Here, I'll type in shopping and save. Now I'll just go to All Items and find a shopping-related website. Press the three dots, scroll down to Move to Folder, hit the shopping button, and press Move to Folder. Once you get the hang of it, this process is very simple, and it's a convenient way to organize everything, like social media and work, especially if you have dozens of logins to keep track of. Speaking of shopping, NordPass also has a function that stores credit card information and then autofills it when you're ready to check out. To set this up, open the NordPass app, go under the All Items tab, and navigate to Add Item. Next, select Credit Card, add all the title and credit card details, and add it to a folder if you want to. Once that's done, hit the Save button, and you're all set. Now your credit card details are safely stored in an encrypted vault, and they'll be auto-filled anytime you want to shop online. And to ensure that your login details always stay up to date and secure, there's the password health feature on the left side of the dashboard. This comes with the premium plan and shows users a report regarding how strong their passwords are, with any weak or reused ones getting flagged as vulnerable. The best way to keep them strong and up to date is by using the password generator feature. This allows you to adjust the characters, words, length, letters, digits, and symbols to create a unique password. Once it's ready, you can easily save it right to the app or copy and paste it to use elsewhere. Having super strong passwords helps you stay safe online, but it's also important to be able to share them securely as well. For example, if you want to share the password for a streaming account, just go to that folder, press the 3 dots on the right, then scroll down to Share. From here, you can enter the recipient's email address, adjust their permissions, and hit Share. This method of sending passwords is encrypted, so it's way safer than just writing the password in a standard email that could potentially be breached or compromised. Another convenient feature included in the NordPass app is device syncing. So whether you make an update on your laptop, phone, tablet, or computer, it'll instantly be updated and saved to all your devices too. Now, it's important to remember that NordPass isn't just for passwords. The app also provides users with more modern login methods. The Passkeys feature lets you log in with a secondary measure, like facial recognition or a fingerprint ID. Then it also ensures that both the website server and your device are valid before granting access. Just a quick Passkeys tutorial. First, navigate to the Passkeys tab on the left side, then press the Create Passkey button. Here, you'll add the name of the website you want to log into, and the app will automatically redirect you there. Once you've filled out all the necessary login information, you may see a pop-up asking if you'd like to create a passkey, in which case you should agree. After that, your passkeys will be saved under the Passkeys tab within the app, and you'll manage them all right from there. Furthermore, under the settings icon, you'll find the multi-factor authentication feature. Enabling this will add an extra login step for better security. Now, if you're worried one of your passwords has already been leaked, you can use our Cybernews password leak checker to definitively find out. It's right on our website, and I'll leave a link in the description as well. All you need to do is type in your password, press Check Now, and our system will scan the internet to alert you if it's been compromised. If so, I'd advise you use the password generator to create a stronger, safer one and change any affected accounts immediately. Alright, now that we've thoroughly covered how to use a password manager like NordPass, what security and privacy measures can you expect from it? This app intentionally utilizes zero-knowledge encryption, so no one besides you can ever see your password vault. The specific encryption NordVPN uses is XChaCha20, making it not only one of the safest options on the market, but also one of the best performing. Taking their security a step further, NordPass has been independently audited by third parties, successfully proving its security claims are legit. Plus, the app comes with handy backup features such as the emergency access, which provides users with a recovery code that's saved as a PDF right on their device. Considering the amount of security and features, the NordPass pricing plans are very affordable. There's a free option available with unlimited storage, however, it's limited to only one device. The premium plan, on the other hand, allows use on multiple devices at once, and if you need more than one account, then the family tier offers 6, which is much cheaper than buying them all separately. To get either of the premium plans at an even lower price, I've left our Cybernews coupon link in the description, and the discount will be automatically applied. So if, like many other internet users out there, you're tired of wasting time with forgotten passwords, stressing out about leaked logins, and you're tired of having to invent new passwords constantly, the NordPass is an all-in-one solution that solves those problems instantly. Just don't forget to also make this password manager much more affordable through my exclusive discount link in the description. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions about password managers, drop them down below in the comments. I'll see you there.